Good afternoon, Miss Erna. I am Gabriel Destian Marganda Simanjunta from 10 Science 6 want to tell you about the example of the narrative text. The narrative text that I choose is Timun Mas Tale. Long time ago, in the island of Java, Indonesia, lived a couple of farmers. They had married for some years and they had no children. And then they prayed to a monster that called Buta Ijo. Buta Ijo granted their wish with one condition. When their child had grown up, they must sacrifice them to Buta Ijo because Buta Ijo liked to eat fresh meat from human. And then the farmers agreed. Several months later, the wife of the farmers was pregnant. They, she gave a birth to a beautiful baby girl. They named her Timun Mas. They were very happy. Timun Mas was very healthy and smart. She also very diligent. When Timun Mas was a teenager, Buta Ijo came to their house to ask about Timun Mas. And then Timun Mas was scared and ran away to hide. And then her parents said to Buta Ijo that Timun Mas was still a child. They asked him to postpone, and then Buta Ijo agreed and promised to come back again. When the second time Buta Ijo came to their house, her parents also tell the same things, that Timun Mas was still a child. And then, when the third time Buta Ijo came back to their house, they had prepared something for him. They gave Timun Mas some bamboo needles, some cucumber seeds, salt, and dressing. And then they say to Timun Mas, "Timun, take these things." "What are these things?" said Timun Mas to her parents. "These are your weapons. Buta Ijo will chase you. He will eat you alive. So run as fast as you can. If he will catch you, you spread this thing to the ground. Now go," said Timun Mas' parents. Timun Mas was scared, so she ran away fast as she can. When Buta Ijo arrived to their house and realized that Timun Mas was ran away from the house, Buta Ijo was very angry and wanted to catch Timun Mas. Buta Ijo has a sharp nose, so he knew what direction that Timun Mas ran. Timun Mas was just a little girl, but Buta Ijo is a big monster, so he could easily to catch her up. When he was just several steps behind, Timun Mas quickly spread the seeds of cucumber. In seconds, they turned into many vines of cucumber. The exhausted Buta Ijo was thirsty and ate all the cucumber. When the Buta Ijo was busy at the cucumber, Timun Mas was ran away from him. And then Buta Ijo catch her again and again. When he was just several steps behind, Timun Mas threw her bamboo needles. Soon they turned into dense bamboo trees. It took Buta Ijo some time to break the dense bamboo forest. And then Timun Mas was ran away from Buta Ijo. Again and again, Buta Ijo chased Timun Mas. When he almost catch Timun Mas threw her dressing. This time, it turned into a lake. Buta Ijo was busy to save himself from the lake, and Timun Mas ran away from him. Finally, when Timun Mas was was almost caught by Butaijo, Timun Mas threw herself. Soon, the land where Butaijo stood turned into an ocean, and then Butaijo was drowned and died instantly. And then Timun Mas was thankful to God. Then she came back to her home and feels so happy. From the Timun Mas tale, we can take some moral value. 1. From Timun Mas, we should not give up with all the problems in our life and we must fight it on. 2. From Butaijo, we can do bad things or evil things to anyone else. And then 3. From the Timun Mas parents, we cannot pray to someone else, but we must pray to our God. That's all from me. If I make some mistakes, please forgive me. Thank you, Miss.